This is a simple exercise you can do anytime, anywhere to help relieve tension and stress. Each exercise can be done individually as needed. However, I recommend that if you are using this as a part of a regular relaxation routine, you complete the entire sequence for maximum benefit. Let's start by taking 3 long, slow breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Begin with the feet. Flex and relax the toes 5 times. Next, rotate the ankle 5 times in one direction, then 5 times in the opposite direction. Now, flex the ankle up and down 5 times. Repeat the sequence on the other foot. Placing your hands under your knee, begin to flex and extend, kicking out and curling back 5 times on each side. Hips with the feet together, open and close the legs at the knee. Tilt the pelvis back and forward 5 times. Next, circle at the hips 5 times in each direction. Moving to the hands, bend and straighten the fingers 5 times. For the wrist, rotate 5 times in each direction, then flex and extend. Give the hands a little shake to get rid of any built-up tension. For the elbows, we bend and straighten 5 times. Next, we roll the shoulders back. Scissor the arms in front of your body. Then, tilt the neck slowly from side to side, ear to shoulder. Then, Drop your chin to your chest and make half circles with your neck, rotating from shoulder to shoulder. Slowly open and close the mouth to release tension in the jaw. You can give yourself a gentle massage here to relax the area. Now, let's end by taking a few deep cleansing breaths. Take a few minutes here and focus on how your body is feeling. If you are still feeling tension in any area, you can go back and repeat any of the movements necessary.